If you're dark in complexion and you've been battling with pimples and dark spots, today is a lucky day because I will be showing the best product to use. First of all, you need a face wiper. This is a facial wiper from T3 products. This wiper is very nice. You use this wiper when you come back from your work. Whenever you come back, you first of all use this face wiper to wipe out the dirt on your face. Then the next thing you need to do after using this face wiper is to have your base, then get this oil-free Neutrogena face wash. This face wash is very nice. It helps to clear pimples, it helps to dry up your pimples. It is very nice. It has the face scrub as well. You first of all use the face scrub. This is the face scrub that you use. Then after using the face scrub, then you go in with the face wash as well. So the both of them works together. It works like magic. It helps to clear your pimples. It helps to clear dark spots as well. It targets pimples as well. So when you're done using the scrub and the face wash, you go in with your serum. This is face fast serum, restore clarifying salicylic acid serum. So guys, this serum is very nice. It helps to target pimples. It helps to clear the appearance of pimples on your face and on your neck. This face serum also helps to smoothen the skin appearance. It also helps to moisturize your skin, restore your skin. It helps to make your skin clear, make your face clear. It helps to fight against pimples on your face, on your neck. So when you're done using this face serum, the thing you need to apply to clear your face from dark spots and pimples is Oxy-10 cream. This cream here is very active. If you're having a stubborn pimples and acne, it fights against it. It helps to clear pimples and dark spots. It is a powerful cream that helps to target these pimples. So guys, that's all for today's video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.